Welcome to our Pharma Topics channel, which aims at simplifying the pharmacy subjects and allied health sciences subjects. Today, our topic of discussion is study of anti-ulcer activity of a drug by Share-Rate model and NSAID-induced model. For this experiment, rats are used. Wistar rats, particularly 150 to 170 grams weight animals are used. It is otherwise called a pyloric ligation model. You can see in the stomach the pyloric portion. The pyloric portion is tied up for temporarily for some period of time, and this creates ulcer in that model, which is called Share-Rat model. So let us see the procedure. The rats are fasted for 48 hours. No food is allowed, only water is allowed, and care should be taken to avoid coprophagy, because they may take their feces because the food is deprived. With the light anesthesia, the abdomen is opened, pyloric portion is lifted and ligated or tied. The abdomen is closed by suturing. Then it is closed by suturing and allowed for 19 hours. Then the stomach is cut open. It is examined for ulceration. The test drugs or the standard drugs are administered prior 28 days. Then this model is applied. See, the other models are restrained ulcer in rat, drug-induced gastric mucosal damage, and histamine-induced gastric ulcer in the guinea pig. So let us see how this model works. So there will be three groups. One is a controlled group where there is a ligated model, or NSAID-induced model. Indomethacin is given at the 10 mg per kg per oral, and ranitidine 15 mg per kg per oral is the standard treatment, and you may have the test extracts. Each group contains 6 animals. Then after the procedure, the stomach is cut open, it is examined. You can see this for a normal rat. Then this is for the control rat, where you can see the bleeding and the lesions. Then it can be given for the stomach, can be taken for histopathology, a intact gut, and this is damaged gut. The other parameters which are checked are ulcer score. The observations will be, if there is no ulcer, scoring is given as 0. Superficial ulcer means 1, deep ulcer means 2, and if there are any perforations in that stomach, then it is given the score of 3. So the ulcerative index is the number of ulcers and number of severities of ulcers and percentage of animals with ulcers divided by 10. The ulcer protection equal to ulcer index in the control rats minus ulcer index in the test rats divided by ulcer index in the control into 100. Apart from this, acidity can be checked. The volume of the fluid is titrated with sodium hydroxide and the acidity is checked. Even pH is also checked. So this is the outline of the Share-Rat model and the NSAID induced model. I hope it will be useful for the pharmacy students. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. Kindly share this to your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel for further updates. Thank you.